How to make wine with simple home ingredients. So first we're going to start off with the water. We are going to put 500 milliliters in the pot. This whole thing is already 500 milliliters, so I can just dump it in there. So the pot was preheated. We put in the water. Next, the cranberries. You're gonna get 2 cups of cranberries, and I would suggest crushing them up, but here I forgot to crush them up. Actually, I didn't forget, but I was just too lazy. So once you have those 2 cups of cranberries, you would just dump it in the water. So be careful because it will splash. And then you will stir it around a bit. And don't worry, right here the flavor won't infuse. Pause for a second. But in another step it will. So now you're gonna get it to boil, keep stirring. And now you're gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar. So right here I have 1/2 cup. While it's hot, I'm gonna pour it in and mix it so it all dissolves in the solution, and it should create a sugar water and cranberry water. So right there I'm stirring and stirring and stirring, making sure everything is dissolved, every grain of sugar disappears. It's probably gonna be like a few grains left if it isn't perfect dissolving, but that should be okay. So right here it looks like it's all finished, so it should be done dissolving now. And then your cranberries should have popped. Mine popped. So when they pop, you want to like squish them. So as you can see, I've squished some right now. It's hard to squish some on the camera, but I squished the cranberries, and then you mix them around, and then soon the liquid should turn cranberry red. So now that we squished them all, we're gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of yeast. Doesn't have to be exact, maybe like 1/2 tablespoon should work. Well, will work. Then you dissolve all the yeast. It should start stinking, smelling like vomit, smelling really bad. But that should only be temporary. If it doesn't go away, then
beer
you
wine
must discard it and not drink it.
horrible.
Probably some bad bacteria have grown. After a few hours, this is what it looks like. You have to keep it there for like 2 to 3 days, and it should be done. And also something I forgot to say is that you must wait for the water to cool down after it's boiling in order to put the yeast, or else the yeast will die.